Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify apps for dropshipping step by step clearly. To start installing Shopify apps for dropshipping, first, log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, navigate to the Shopify App Store by clicking on Apps in the left-hand menu. In the App Store, you can either browse through categories or use the search bar to find specific apps. If you know the name of the app you want, type it into the search bar and press Enter. After the search results appear, click on the app you are interested in. You'll be taken to the app's detail page, where you can read about its features and pricing. Take a moment to review the app's ratings and customer feedback to ensure it meets your needs. When ready, click on the Add App button, typically located on the top right corner of the page. Shopify will redirect you to your store to confirm the installation. Once on the confirmation page, you may need to grant the app specific permissions. Carefully review the permissions required by the app. If you agree, click the Install App button. The app will begin to install, which may take a few moments. After the installation is complete, you'll usually be redirected to the app's dashboard. Follow any setup instructions provided by the app to configure it according to your dropshipping strategy. Make sure to check for any additional settings, such as payment methods or inventory synchronization. Finally, test the app to ensure it is functioning correctly and integrated with your store. You are now ready to start using Shopify apps for your dropshipping business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.